We often tell our children to read, watch, listen. How can we make learning much more powerful? By making it experiential, doing and learning, the highest form of learning. Parents, teachers, educators. Socrates once said, what we hear, we forget. What we see, we might remember. But only what we do, we truly understand. And we want our children to understand. If you have understood this video, please follow, share, subscribe us for more. I am your parenting coach.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.